and then we take a look at 16, what you do as a giveaway vessel, 17, the action by the stand-on vessel, and then Rule 18, which we commonly call the pecking order, responsibilities between the various vessels. So we'll start looking at Rule 12 here. I'm going to assume that many of you are sailors because you're on the Maryland School webinar, but we'll define some of these just to make sure we all understand it. Rule 12 deals with sailing vessels in sight of one another. If the wind is on different sides, so you're on a different tack, port and starboard tack, or if the wind's on the same side, you're both on the same tack. And then we have the in doubt rule. If you're a sailing vessel on a port tack, and you see another vessel windward of you, and you're not sure what he's at, what type of tack he's on, then you're the giveaway vessel. Taking a look at that, the wind on the different sides, starboard tack boat has the right of way. One's on a port tack, one's on a starboard. So a way of thinking about this starboard is stand on. And then the port tack boat is the giveaway vessel, and of course that is defined as which side the wind is coming on. This side the boat is at the wind's hitting the port side, so he is the giveaway vessel. This boat here, the wind's on the starboard side, so he is the stand-on vessel. You might look at this in relationship with the lights on the boat. If the wind's coming on the green side, you're the stand-on. If the wind's coming on your red light, then you are the giveaway. Windward and leeward. The wind's on the windward side. If you're closest to the wind, you're the windward boat, and if you're further downwind, then you're the leeward boat. So the term windward and leeward defines the second part of Rule 12. And the boat that is closest to the wind is the giveaway vessel, the windward boat, and then the leeward boat is the stand-on vessel. This is two boats with the wind on the same side. And it could both be on a starboard tack or a port tack. And then this is the third part of Rule 12. If you're on a port tack and you see another vessel windward of you, you're just not sure what tack he's on, and then you become the giveaway vessel. Sailing vessel with their engine on is a giveaway vessel to a sailing vessel, because once you have your engine on as a sailboat, then you are a power-driven vessel, and under Rule 18, then you have to become the giveaway vessel. And you see this little cone here with the apex down, indicating that's a day signal. We're going to talk about these in a little bit, that you're a sailboat with your engine on. When is a sailboat the giveaway vessel? Well, there's this little mnemonic that I've come up with called POW. P stands for port. If you're a port tack sailboat, you give way to the starboard tack sailboat. If you're a sailboat overtaking another vessel, then you become the giveaway vessel. If you're the windward sailboat, then you give way to the leeward sailboat, the POW. Here's a picture of San Diego, Wednesday night. Lots of race boats going on. All the clubs and yacht clubs are out there with all their racing boats, just enjoying the evening. Well, the question comes up, do racing boats have the right of way over non-racing sailboats? Which rule prevails? You have the racing rules and you have the navigation rules. Well, the navigation rules trump the racing rules. The navigation rules always proceed